French citizens are snubbing AstraZeneca in favor of a new jab made in France, despite the fact it will be available in the UK first. A new coronavirus vaccine is being produced by a French pharmaceutical company, and it is expected to have an efficacy of over 80%. The new jab named Valneva is expected to be ready at the end of the year with a technology that is different from the products already on the market. The Franco-Austrian laboratory Valneva, whose trials for its candidate vaccine against COVID-19 are at an advanced stage, hopes to demonstrate an efficacy of more than 80%, announced its general manager Frank Grimaud on BFM Business. On the basis of the Phase 1 and 2 trials, we hope to have a vaccine which is effective in more than 80% of cases. It will have to be demonstrated in the Phase 3 trial, said Frank Grimaud. The efficacy would therefore be lower than messenger RNA vaccines, such as those from Pfizer, BioNTech or Moderna, which are around 95%, but it would be higher than that of the AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson vaccines, which are between 60 and 70% effective. Some people in France are snubbing already available vaccines to wait for the new antidote, as suggested by the French boss of Sanofi, another French pharmaceutical company hoping to put its vaccine on the market this year, Olivier Beaugiot. In a message on LinkedIn, he said, "I hear some people say that they prefer to wait for the vaccine from Sanofi to be vaccinated. I thank those who trust Sanofi, but our vaccine will not arrive for several months. Waiting only increases the risk and prolongs the circulation of the virus. The vaccines authorized by the health authorities are safe and effective. Valneva uses a deactivated virus vaccine, a more traditional technology than RNA, and which is used in particular for influenza vaccines each year," said Frank Grimaud. There are many parameters to consider in a vaccine: efficacy, harmlessness, period of protection, duration between the first 2 doses and the need for a booster, continued Frank Grimaud. The laboratory submitted its request for authorization to the British health authorities on Monday. The United Kingdom has already ordered 100 million doses for 2021-2022, while discussions with the European Union are still ongoing, according to Frank Grimaud. The CEO of Valneva believes that the fight against COVID-19 will probably require regular vaccination in the years to come. We will also have to vaccinate teenagers and children, and a vaccine like ours, with its safety profile, might be of interest, he believes. It also targets a part of the population that is more hesitant about new vaccine technologies as well as in countries where access to vaccines is still difficult.